right, guys, you have Jacob, Nathan, and Colt here at Command Electronics, and right now we are observing Colt build one of our most common products, which is a clearance light for the RV industry. And right now we're just trying to identify some areas of waste within this process and seek ways to reduce or eliminate them. So right now we have a simple PCB that Colt is installing onto a molded frame. He's then testing the PCB and ensuring that it works, and then packaging it into a box over here to his left. And we're just going to observe this process for a few parts and see what we can see.
Right here, very first thing we're going to do is, Snapple's delicious, but do you mind if I relocate it?
That's fine.
We'll move it right down here. It's not going away from you.
Yep, moving the tester in.
Move that right on in, up in your space. How's that feel?
A lot better.
A lot better, right?
I think we might have some taller of these. I'm noticing a little bit of a reach to get it closer to the box before releasing the part.
Yep.
Grab that, and we'll do a quick swap-a-roo on it. Perfect. Do you notice a little less of a reach there?
Yeah.
Box being up?
Yeah.
We want to tackle the molded frames next, Nathan, or do you think we should do something with the PCB itself? When it comes to an assembly operation, presentation of the materials is absolutely critical. So looks like Nathan's just trying to present those boards in a way that's a lot easier for Colt to just grab and go.
You can really bring it like
Right there would be awesome.
I just got to find a way to elevate that up. Is it as simple as finding something to just kind of shim the back of that toad up a bit? There we go, a block of wood. That's exactly what I had in mind. I just couldn't have dreamed that it was so close.
Yeah.
Shrinking everything in. We don't add any extra value to the part by reaching further to get it. How does that feel so far with the changes we've made?
A lot better.
All right, so there's something going on with these bags, right? They're taped on up. They're taped or they're sealed. Yeah, they got some sort of PSA on there.
Yeah.
So my thought is, can you get this here letter opener in there and just rip down?
Rip and remove.
Yeah. Maybe I'm ripping it the wrong way. Let's just try it again here. Maybe you just do it here. Yeah, I don't know. That's not great. Moral of the story, try something that's cheap, easy, and free, and then if it works, great. If it doesn't, maybe it
Yeah,
spurs
it was
some
free to
other
try
thought. Yeah. Open up one end, open up the other end. Pull, drop the board in there.
Yep, which is another thing I'm noticing is he is kind of reaching down before releasing to make sure that they get into this box.
Yeah.
So there's a table that's right over here. We'll borrow that over here and get that box raised up.
There you go.
Low-hanging fruit.
Just have me stand here and unbag them for you all day. That's another thought, right?
It just became a two-person job.
That's right. So you take one end, rip it, take the other end, rip it, pull. It's not too bad.
I really hope we can hear Whitney Houston in this video.
You should just, credit her for it or whatever.
Yeah.
Just put it in there.
Whitney Houston inspired these improvements.
Yes.
She's inspired a nation.
So if you stand right behind here, you see that the tester is in, like shifted in a bit more, right? And then it's like not everything is like centered. Because I noticed you kind of reached a bit for the boards, which that seemed. But I'm just gonna say like we just
tighten it all up a bit more. And
and just center it on him.
yeah. Well, you're not having to move too far in either direction to do any of the operations.
It's all equal. Yeah. How does that feel? Does that feel a bit more centered on you?
Yeah.
How's your shoulder? I see you just kind of did the old.
It burns a little bit, but
From the operation or just
Kind of. It's a little finicky. I broke it twice.
Oh, okay.
So just some little things bug it.
Yeah.
Do you think raising the chair might help with that shoulder?
Oh, I can try it.
Just take a little bit of that angle off when you do have to, you know, make a reach.
So what do you think?
I like it.
Okay. Is there anything else that you'd be like, ah, that kind of bugs me?
No.
Okay.
We didn't time it before and after, which might have been a good idea. But if you had to put an estimate to how much faster you think you might be going, just through the improvements.
I don't know. It feels like quite a bit faster because I felt like I was going really slow before.
And it's win-win. You're making more parts with less strain on your body. So
That's
more
just it.
ergonomic and faster rate. I mean, can't go wrong.
Yeah.
No.
All right, well, good stuff, guys. That was just one process and just a few minutes of our time, and here we've made it a lot better. The next step is to document this and make sure that when we set this cell up to do these lights in the future, that whether it's Colt building them or somebody else down the road, that we know how to set it up so that it's most efficient and ergonomic right from the get-go. So anyhow, that's a little lesson on how to identify and eliminate waste in a process.